Okay, day 5 of London. We lost James. He went to a nightclub last night, and he was never seen or heard from. Oh, hi James.
Psych.
Um,
Psych.
so yeah, we went to the most exclusive nightclub, and it's like a triple-decker nightclub underground. It was really cool. They didn't let us bring any cameras in, so we don't have footage of that. There we go. That was a wink. But today, what's the plan? We're gonna be doing a Shaun of the Dead thing to see where they filmed that, because that's one of the best one takes ever made. And then after that, it's gonna be a chill day before we start traveling some more areas in Europe. So let's see where that goes. Boop.
Times and places are all in who you share them with. And it's life, and the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spend it with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with. Yeah, now it's a moment, and a home is who you share it with. I believe what the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with.